Now, let's look at how a thermometer looks like. If you look at this now, it consists of a narrow glass tube. Now, this glass tube is calibrated in such a way that it fits the liquid in it, and this liquid in every thermometer is called a thermometric liquid. Now, the two major thermometric liquids that are found in thermometers all over the world include alcohol and mercury. And why they actually call it thermometric liquid is that they respond to changes in in the temperature of the environment. So whenever the environment is hot, some tend to rise, some tend to fall. So with these changes or responsive nature of this liquid, they actually make use of them to construct thermometers. So as you can see here, this is a thermometer, and this is the thermometric liquid, and they change with a change in temperature. And so as a result of that, we can actually use their changes to dictate the temperature of our body or the temperature of a particular thing. So we have different types of thermometer. We have the dry bulb thermometer, and we have the wet bulb thermometer, and we also have the maximum and the minimum thermometer, or you can call it the sixth thermometer. Now, the dry bulb and the wet bulb thermometer are actually used to construct what we call a hygrometer. A hygrometer is used to measure the humidity of a particular place. As you can see, this is a typical example of a hygrometer, and the hygrometer is made up of two different thermometers, which is the dry bulb thermometer and the wet bulb thermometer. So with this combined together and other features, they can construct what we call a hygrometer that can be used for measuring the humidity of a place. And then we look at the second type of thermometer called the maximum and the minimum thermometer. Now, the maximum thermometer is combined with the minimum thermometer to form what we call the sixth thermometer. Like I said, the wet and dry is combined to form the hygrometer. Then the maximum and minimum is combined to form the sixth thermometer. And we're going to look at how the sixth thermometer looks like. Now, the sixth thermometer is in form of a U shape. There is a U-shaped glass tube which has the maximum on one side and the minimum on the other side. So the right-hand side of the thermometer measures the highest temperature, while the left-hand side measures the lowest temperature. That is the maximum temperature and the